Yeah, after I put the whole thing, which is 24 ounces of yellow cornmeal, I like the Quaker, okay? Anyway, needless to say, I fill this about halfway up. So whatever the amount is that you put in there, then you put a little bit, like half of that amount into the dry ingredients of the cornbread. Oh, I'm not gonna make it heap or anything, but there we go. Tablespoon. Again, we'll take the tablespoon on that side. Here's some. So that totals, because I didn't heap it or fill it all the way up, so that totals 1 tablespoon of sugar. About let's see how much we're gonna do, 3/4 tablespoon, about there. Yeah, we'll do there. Make a reservoir. Vegetable oil. Three-fourths cup. 3 large eggs beaten. Vitamin D milk. Whole milk. Yeah, but he goes in her room every now and then. I'm like looking for her.
Feeling or something?
1/4 cup more. About 2/3. 2/3 cup. Two tablespoons of oil. This pan goes in the oven. 400 degrees. Sizzling ends. Okay, looks like the cornbread is good. Let's see if it's golden. Oh yeah. Oh, this pan is heady. Good, golden, and done.